We are living in the era of the fourth industrial revolution. The past three industrial revolutions changed the way the world worked and impacted the lives of every individual on the planet. We have entered into the era of digital transformation. Organizations that are successfully going through this journey of digital transformation are the ones that understand that this process is not only about adding technology, but one of supporting their people to create value that the organization seeks. Technology has a big role to play today. People are the focus. Technology is the tool, the enabler, and the game changer. Higher value, productivity, and efficiency is the end outcome.
Technology has a critical role to play, complementing our spectacular growth by fostering collaboration across multiple locations through a secure environment and by enabling our mobile workforce to be more productive and better connected.
For the employees, technology has made their life smoother, tension free. हम बहुत easily आपस में communicate कर रहे हैं. मुझे कोई document खोलना है, मैंने OneDrive में upload करा हुआ है. I can access it from anywhere.
To keep up with the global threat and regulatory landscape, it is important that service providers adhere to compliance drivers like GDPR in their solution by design. Azure Information Protection allows information to be shared securely with customers and partners.
Technologies like artificial intelligence and blockchain continue to enhance our customers' banking experience. We're continuously reshaping the culture of digital-first engagement and collaboration. Microsoft, through its secure collaboration and productivity tools, is helping us unlock value at every step of our digital journey.
Microsoft 365 is the world's productivity cloud. We have built this platform to take a very people-centric approach to solve today's challenges of productivity. Within Microsoft 365, there are three core scenarios that illustrate how the underlying technology comes to life in valuable ways. Connected experiences enable the ability to flexibly work and collaborate with colleagues and help us be more productive with intelligence. Integrated workflow transforms business processes with modern tools that bring line of business systems together and accelerate the flow of information. And intelligent security, which harnesses the power of AI to protect assets compliantly and to guard against modern threats, all without hindering productivity.